Bonjour. As we have seen in the chapter on flow-through, I will put the link in the description, this indicator is used more and more and it will therefore be used in each department. For example, in the food and beverage department, then in each food and beverage outlet, we will calculate the flow-through between your increase in incomes and your result. I remind you that a flow-through must be at least equal to 50%, even if the owners are hoping a flow-through close to 70% or, of course, higher. This flow-through will determine the degree of productivity and will often help the owner to pressure you to reduce your cost. In the next video, we will see the hotel scorecard.